Man, look at these garbages. These are gathered by rats in my house. It does not look like my house, it looks like the house of rats. Lots of rats. I don't know how many rats are there in my house, but I thought of building something by which I can, see the house of rats, where they hide and what they store. So I'll show what I did and how I figured out the house of rats. Okay. So this is the battery, and the battery I have taken from my dead drone. The drone is not working, but the battery is nice. And then the ESP32 cam. I already made this video on how to stream using ESP32 cam, live streaming. So I'm not going to remove this connector here, the USB connector. Now this is to charge the battery. So I will keep the way it is, and I will add just two wire, one negative and one positive, right? And that will go to ESP32 cam, because the you know the ESP32 cam is already been coded, and it is ready for live stream. The video you can see on my channel, and now I only have to give power to ESP32 cam, and it will work. So let's see how I am making it. Okay, so there is a 5 volt and the ground pin on ESP32 cam. Although the battery is 3.7 volt, the lipo battery, but it is working even I connect with 5 volt on ESP32 cam. Okay, now this is simple, very simple toy car, remote control toy car. I have already you know uh, soldered two LEDs on it, and I will just you know put ESP32 cam on the board, on the chassis here. Okay, the height of this car is very less, so that's the reason the wheels are very small. You see here, the wheels are very small. That's the reason I have chosen this car. Okay, the ESP32 cam fits well here. Now it's time to connect the wire. So like I showed earlier, the red wire will go to 5 volt, it's positive, and black wire is ground. It goes to battery. That's it, nothing else. No other connection is required, because the ESP32 is already been programmed and it will work fine. I will just stick. I do not have the double-sided tape, so I will stick like this. It's a temporary, so I do not have to fix with glue and all. So now the stream has started, and let me show you what I found. Okay, the camera is working fine. So I'll be using a remote, which is given by remote with remote car, toy car. And I see the garbages. So that's in a storeroom. There is a bed there, and in the storeroom, it's not used. The room is not used. We only keep things which are not used. Okay, and I already showed you in the beginning of the video what I found. So a lot of garbage is there. Sometimes we cannot remove. To clean, we have to remove all the furniture, and then we have to clean. And I maybe rats know that no one comes here, so let's build home here. Like, then maybe rats may be thinking like that. Okay, so far I do not see any rat, but I see a lot of garbages. And yeah, see here, a clip is also here. I don't know why rat kept here.